What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Over here behind me, it's going to seem kind of weird, but I am editing the video that you are currently watching. Now, this video was filmed like a month, almost 2 months ago when I was fixing the Jeep, and I never did edit and upload part 3. So here's part 3 of the Jeep repair build. But before we do that, I just want to thank everyone for subscribing, because we've recently just passed 100 subscribers on the channel, and I cannot express my gratitude enough. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and thank you guys again for 100 subscribers. Enjoy the video. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back again with the Jeep. This is part 3. This is probably going to be an extra short video because the camera is only halfway full of battery, and that's just extremely annoying to deal with because I charge these things. Oh well. But today we're putting the belt on the Jeep and draining the power steering fluid, and then making sure everything runs correctly. Alright, so let's get this belt on. Let's see what we got going on here. So I think it goes
It goes over the eyelid and cover the power steering.
okay, cool. Go over the power steering first.
Scoop that.
That's it?
Yep.
Alright. So we finally got the belt on. Alright, guys, so we got the belt on. We figured it out. It just took some maneuvering, but the new belt is on. I'm about to put a little bit of fluid into the radiator, and the main thing is we're going to drain the power steering right now. So that's what we're about to do. Get that taken care of. This stuff is probably gonna go everywhere. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prepare the bleeder. And this is the tube. That is going to bleed into this bottle here. Alright, go ahead and try to turn it. Keep going, there's fluid coming out, you're good. It's because it's new, that's why. It's not moving at all? Alright, hold on a second. Now hold on now, oh. There's fluid coming out. Alright, do it some more. All the way. That's some nasty looking stuff. Alright, now hold it there. Can you get my toolbox? I'm gonna set this bottle on it. Yeah, you can let it go. Alright, go ahead. Just turn the wheel back and forth. All the way to one side. You're good, you're going. I'm gonna check the fluid levels. Alright, we're good. So remember how clean the fluid looked? That's why we need to do that. Alright. So now that we've bled the system, before we do anything else, I need to put this onto the end here. I don't want a bunch of fluid coming out. This is real easy. It just sits down in here like this. There should be a little bolt sticking up. There it is. And it was literally just held down by one bolt. And it's not supposed to be like that, because these two things are supposed to hold it down, but I didn't feel like unbolting something that was already bolted up on a 20-year-old Jeep.
So it should be fine.
Yeah, it shouldn't be that big of a deal. I just gotta remember where I put my bolts at. And now, the other thing we've been waiting on. All right, air filter. It's brand spanking new. Drop that right in the air box. Now I have neglected to mention that one more last thing, and I forgot it, and I remembered it when I looked in the Jeep.
Another thing.
We need to put on the radiator fan.
Okay. I forgot how many pieces you took off when you did this.
It was quite a bit. Okay, air box is on. Now we need to put on the radiator fan. Boom. Literally the last piece. Oh, before I put this on, actually, I need to tighten the belt. Alright, we can start it without the radiator fan for now.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh. It's just because the engine's not hot and I don't need it.
You just want to start it up.
Well, I want to test the belt and see if it's tight enough, because I don't want to put the radiator fan on and then the belt loose and then I have to take it off.
You be careful.
Alright, I'm making sure everything's out the way. Air box is on and secure. That's good. Power steering is on. Radiator cap is on. Coolant cap is on. It's looking good. What you cussing at me for?
You know what?
Alright, the moment of truth. We've been working on the Jeep. Here it goes. First start up. Yeah. Yeah. The belt sounds awesome. You can't hear it at all. Power steering pump is on. Everything's connected. No leaks. Hey, try to turn the wheel. How's it feel? Oh yeah? That's because the pump is actually moving this time. That's awesome. Alright, you can shut it off. But that's it. It's done. It's finally done. Yes, the Jeep is finally ready. So thank you guys for watching the build. If you want to watch the whole thing, check out my series on YouTube. It's a 3-part video series, and they'll be up soon. But thank you guys for watching and following along with my Instagram stories, and yeah, take care. God dang, it's awesome.